Welcome back to Star Dish Diaries. Today we're bringing you the favorite food of reggae legend Bob Marley, Ital Stew, a wholesome and flavorful dish rooted in Jamaica's rich culture. Ital Stew is a plant-based hearty stew made from fresh vegetables like carrots, potatoes, cabbage, butter beans, and gungo peas, also known as pigeon peas. These ingredients are simmered in creamy coconut milk and seasoned with fragrant thyme and garlic. Here's what you'll need: 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 chopped onion, 3 cloves minced garlic, 2 diced carrots, 2 diced potatoes, 2 cups chopped cabbage, 1 cup butter beans, 1 cup gungo peas, 1 can of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, a pinch of salt, and 1 to 2 cups vegetable broth or water. Start by heating coconut oil in a pot, then saute onions and garlic until soft and fragrant. Next, add your vegetables and beans, pour in the coconut milk and vegetable broth to cover everything. Add thyme and a little salt, bring to a boil, then simmer gently for about 30 to 40 minutes until the veggies are tender and the flavors have blended. Ital stew is traditionally served over steamed rice with a side of sweet fried plantains, a true taste of Jamaica and Bob Marley's Ital diet philosophy. Thanks for joining us on Star Dish Diaries. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any of our celebrity favorite recipes. See you next time.